Alright, so if you guys don't know, my name is Wayne. I've lost 40 plus pounds, and it looks like I haven't lost weight. The reason for that is because I'm not on steroids or anything. I would die. Um, I wasn't the healthiest. I would die. All right. So first thing I'm taking is testosterone booster. The reason why I'm taking it because I was very fat, so naturally my testosterone levels are very low. So I need to take this. You can get this on Amazon. This is the Prime Labs Testosterone Pro, and I'm absolutely feeling it. It's called Prime Test Pro on Amazon. It's the red label. And the second thing I'm using is this. This is an electric cup blender. It's actually pretty cool. Just press this button right here. Yeah, pretty cool. And the second thing I'm using is from Ronnie Coleman himself. It's from Ronnie Coleman. You obviously gotta use something from the legend himself, right? Whew, definitely feeling that testosterone right now. I'm using his signature King Mass XL. Oh, man, I'm feeling that testosterone right now. Whew. I use 2 scoops. Damn, hold on me. Whew. Okay, I use 2 scoops because I do the 30-30 rule. And then I work out after work or whatever. I just worked out this morning. So I took this and I also took the Prime Test Pro. Workout this morning. It worked really good. So yeah, I'm actually kind of excited what I'm gonna look at, what I'm gonna look like December. I'm almost down to 280 flat. I'm still teeter-tottering between 285 and 288. I'm probably like 287 right now. I weigh myself every 3 days, so that's the best way to weigh yourself. And I also drink a lot of water. I drink like 2 of these a day. My hands are shaking because of the testosterone. I do have this. I really don't take it at all. Really, I really don't take it. I can show you. Sometimes I take creatine. I can show you right now. To serious, I don't really take this at all. I take it sometimes. If I do a full week working out, full body workouts every week, then I'll take it. But yeah, see, I never really take it. If you buy one of these, it's exactly how it's gonna be. It's like 3/4 of the way full. For the record, I do full body workouts. Every time I work out, I never do section. I don't like that section bullshit. It's lazy to me. To me, it's very lazy. I do full body workouts every time I work out. It's the best way to work out, in my opinion. And for the times where I only want to eat 2 meals a day for a snack at night, I'll have ramen. 1 bowl of ramen. To be honest, this is the best way to get rid of that hunger. But yeah.